back to my channel. Shawna here, and I am doing a trunk club unboxing today. They sent me a huge box. I'm really looking forward to seeing everything in person. You may know that Nordstrom's or Trunk Club, they send everything to you ahead of time, and so you have an opportunity to go through and take out things you don't like, and they'll fill it with other stuff. This is I think the first time that I have not taken anything out. I'm not sure I'm gonna love everything, but I really wanted to see what everything looked like, and I kind of liked everything. I asked for some Madewell stuff. I've never really bought anything Madewell, but people swear by their denim, and so I wanted to try that. And I said, I just need more cotton and loungy wear, because we're not going anywhere. So I think they mostly did that, but I really want to see it in person. So let's open her up. Okay, they sent bags and bags of things that I need to try on, so I'll put on some outfits and I'll show you what I got. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the first outfit, and I have a lot of things going on here. The first are the sunglasses, which I really like these. I'm not sure I love that they're mirrored, but I do really like the shape. They're like a, what's that, like a charcoal, kind of smoky clear, and I think they're really fun. I like big glasses to go with my big face. Okay, so then I have this shirt, and it's a polyester material, but really stretchy, and I do love a puffy sleeve. It's black. I thought it was navy, but it's black. My husband thinks it looks like Angela from The Office, like it's doll clothes. I don't know about that. I think it's fun and different, and I do love a fun puffy sleeve. Okay, let's talk about the jeans. They're high-waisted mom jeans, which are totally in style right now. The bottoms are, it's like wide leg, which is a look, which is a fit, my daughter says. It's not me. It's too young, right? I feel real dumb in them. All of this, there's a lot of this. There's a lot of this and a lot of this. Is it me? Is that how they're supposed to be? Because I'm not feeling confident in this at all. And I do really want to try some straight leg ankle, but I'm not sure these are them. They're comfy and they're a little bit stretchy, and I do like the wash on them. I just don't think this is my look. Okay, and then these are the Madewell pants, and these are the shirts by Cece. Okay, and then the shoes are by Madewell as well, and I really like these. I don't have any mules. They're kind of a suede, black suede, and they're super cute. I don't have any like that. My sister wears mules all the time. So maybe I need these. Okay, tell me what you think. Am I totally crazy? Could I be brave enough to like rock this look? I'm not sure. And then tell me about like this shirt and stuff too. All right, let me go try on the next outfit. Okay, here's the next outfit. And I can work with this a little bit. All right. You know what this is? Looks like a black tank top, but who's with me who had the OG snap crotch tank tops back in the day? This girl did, and I didn't like them then either. But actually, this is really cute. I think it's cute and fun, and you don't have to tuck, and I don't think it looks bad at all. I'm wearing a normal bra. It all fits in there. It's pretty cute, and it's not even riding up. But you know what happens. You gotta go to the bathroom. You gotta unsnap everything. So we'll see. It probably depends on price on this, because it is cute. It's really soft and comfortable and stretchy. So we'll see if I am willing to go back to the early 90s snap crotch. Yes, we'll see. Okay, tell me what you think about the shorts. So this is high-waisted, but this isn't like crazy. I like the button fly. The legs, here's what I like. The legs are nice and wide, right? A lot of times I find that jean shorts and most shorts, let's be honest, are kind of tight on the thighs. I got some love here, and I need to let them have room. And a lot of shorts don't allow that, but these are really great. And I like the color, and I like the stretch. and I'm kind of digging on them. Okay, the shoes are by Steve Madden, and they're way cuter on than I thought they'd be, and they are more comfortable, except for, we're just bringing it all out this time. They, so they're just like a little snug around kind of the broadest part of my foot, and it could have something to do with some bunions or something that are like getting cut into. I'm old and I wore a lot of cleats back in the day, and that's just part of life now. So, okay, let me take these off and show you. I didn't clip one, but they're pretty cute. I was unsure about this style. The leather seems a little cheap and plasticky to me, but they're cute. It's a fun little wedge. My daughter might dig this. She has the same size feet as I do now, and this is kind of her style. What do you think? They're comfortable on the bottom, but they're just cutting into my feet in a little weird way. Better than I thought, for sure. Okay, tell me what you think about this. I'm gonna go try on the next outfit. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the next thing. It's just the tank top. So let's have a conversation about free people for just a second. Does it ever work for people? Because it never works for me. I love the idea, I love the fabrics, I think the styles are cute. I'm like, I want something free people. But there's always something off. And I think because it's tailored to young people, it doesn't mean it's like extra small or anything like that, but it's just tailored to young people. And this tank top is a perfect example. I love the color. I love how flowy it is. It's like a nice like ribbed texture. Okay, but I put it on with a regular bra, and there's just so much bra showing. So I put it on with like this like tank or like racer back lacy bra, so it like maybe looked a little bit better, but there was so much bra showing. It was ridiculous. And if you say bralette in your comments, just keep going on by, because if I'm not setting off the alarm at the airport with my bras, it's not being worn. Bralette, please. So it's not an option for me, but I really want to like this. But it's big and baggy, but I think that's a style, but just so much bra showing. Oh, it always seems like this with free people. It's like just off. Like the fit is not quite right. Am I the only one? Am I crazy? Is that me? All right, let me go try on the last outfit. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the last outfit, and the gray shirt's by Madewell, and it's just a really soft, plain t-shirt. And I think it's cute. I think the fit's good. I think the length is good. It just depends on the price. I don't want to spend a bunch just on a regular gray t-shirt, but I think it's cute and comfy. The shorts are by Caslon, and they're like a heathered navy linen, and I like them. I think they're cute. I think I paired them incorrectly. This is a lot of heathered colors here that I'm not sure look great together, but you get the idea. What do you think of these shorts? I'm like, I don't know. I'm not in love with them, but I'm not sure why. I like them. What do you think? Maybe just they're not anything that special, but I don't need anything that special either. I'm just hanging out at home. So this could be kind of a fun, casual short. It's not stretchy. It's just like a straight linen. I don't know. Tell me what you think about these. This outfit. Okay, a lot of this, I think this time is gonna be dependent on the price. So let me get the prices. We'll go through them and see what I'm gonna get. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, let's look at the prices. I had to put my glasses on so that I can see them. Okay, so I think the prices are the best I've ever seen or received from Trunk Club. I like Trunk Club because they give you the sale. If something goes on sale, they give it to you even up to the last minute, right? If something went on sale today and I didn't check out till tomorrow, I would get a whatever that new sale price is. So that is really cool. Stitch Fix doesn't have sales, are you kidding me? So that's kind of a fun piece. Okay, so the first thing are the mules, and I really like these and I need them. Do I I really need them right now. Am I gonna wear them right now? My sister wears them all the time and she loves them. Shout out Amber. But they're 88 bucks. What do you think? Worth it? Should I get them? They're like, I feel like black mules are like a staple. I don't know, my Birkenstocks just broke. I need Birkenstocks. All right, so that's a question. I do like them and I need them, but okay, the bodysuit is by Madewell and it's $39.50. It's soft, it's a good tank top. My husband liked it. I don't know, $39.50 seems like a good price, especially for Madewell. Let me know what you think. Okay, the Steve Madden platform sandals on sale, $47.96. I think that's pretty good. I might hold on to these until my daughter can try them on because I think she'd really like them. And I like them, they just were like cut into my poor feet. So too bad on that one, but okay, the next is the gray t-shirt and it's only $19.50. Like that's, I think, a good price. Like I would spend 20 bucks on a nice gray t-shirt. Good quality, soft and lovely. This might go in the S pile. Okay, the next are the, the jeans. These are no, I mean, tell me what you think. I think these are no. I was really uncomfortable in them, but I just think they're maybe too young of a style for me, or they just look dumb. Either one, take your pick. I'm not sure that I was that into them. They were on sale too, and they're $76.80. That's the sale price. So, I mean, I think it's a good price, and if you like this style, go for it, but this is not me. Okay, next is the Free People tank top. Now, this is where they get me. It's only 20 bucks. It's only $20, but there was so much bra showing. Not right? Cute. Let it all hang out. Be a little free people. I don't know. You have to tell me what you think about that. Put it in the no pile right now, but you could change my mind about that. Okay, the linen shorts. So my husband actually really liked these, and they're $59. So they're, you know, they're a decent price. Caslon. They're cute with their little blue tie. That's in the maybe pile. Okay, the puff sleeve. I love me some puff sleeve. It's got a little ruffly neck. I think if I were going to work and I was going out places, that I would probably totally get this, but because I'm not, I wouldn't wear this all summer and maybe not into the winter if we're not going anywhere. So this is probably a no, but I really do like it. I am a sucker for some princess sleeves. So maybe next time. And then last but not least, dun, dun, dun. Okay. Do I need to spend $85 on glasses right now? Because I kind of feel like I do. I kind of do. I'm kind of feeling these right now. You'll have to tell me. $85 or by Diff? I don't know. So I'm kind of digging on them. Could this be my like little splurge item? Okay, and actually the last thing is the shorts, which I surprisingly really liked by Madewell. And they are, of course they're expensive. They're $74.50. They're almost the same price as the jeans. But I was digging on them shorts. Look at those nice wide legs. Okay, you guys for real are gonna have to help me because I have no idea. I mean, I liked a lot of stuff in this box, and Trunk Club has gotten so much better for me. It was really, we were on the outs for a while, and this has been a great box. I don't think everything's like perfect for me, but I'm glad they sent it. So, nice work. All right, if you like my video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get notifications when I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.